First at 4. Some questions have been raised about the retired judge who presided over the high-profile criminal trial of then Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely. Questions focusing on her standing with the Alabama State Bar at the time of the trial.
Blakely's attorneys say they may file a petition with the court to investigate the matter. News 19 has been working to get some insight into those claims. News 19 investigative reporter Dallas Parker joining us now in the studio with what she found.
That's right, Jerry. Former Limestone County Sheriff Mike Blakely's lawyers say retired Alabama Court of Appeals Judge Pamela Beshab's status with the State Bar Association was not up to date when Blakely went on trial and was subsequently convicted. Blakely's attorney Robert Tootin says his team may eventually file a Rule 32 petition asking for investigation into the timeline surrounding Beshab's status with the State Bar Association in July 2021 when the trial took place. Now, the judge was retired when Alabama Supreme Court Chief Justice Tom Parker appointed her to hear the case, and that came after another retired judge bowed out over COVID-19 fears. I reached out to the Alabama Bar Association to better understand Beshab's bar status then and now, and here's what I've learned. Well before Blakely's trial, Beshab received a letter from the State Bar Association letting her know her special membership was inactive as of January 14th. And though the letter encouraged the retired judge to pay her dues, it also noted, quote, as a sitting judge, you are not required to be a member of the bar, but we encourage you to continue maintaining your good standing status. The bar issued a statement to News 19 that reads in part, for judges who have officially retired and are subject to special appointment by the Supreme Court under Alabama Code Section 12-18-7 or Alabama Constitution Article 6, the Alabama State Bar is not aware of a requirement mandating that the individual will continue paying dues as a prerequisite to an appointment by the Chief Justice. Now, the office that handles the Supreme Court's administrative role also responded to us. The Alabama Administrative Office of Courts clarified Beshab's apparent exemption, saying, quote, according to the Alabama State Bar, retired judges are exempt from licensing requirements. Therefore, Judge Beshab was and is a qualified active retired judge. Now, just to emphasize, the State Bar says the legislation requiring justices and judges in the state to be licensed attorneys was not enacted until October 2021. Blakely's trial was in July of 2021. So yes, the judge's license went inactive a week before Blakely's trial for non-payment of her dues. But again, the state says retired judges are exempt from those licensing requirements. According to the Alabama Bar Association membership site, Beshab is now up to date on her dues. And as of August 25th, she purchased an occupational law license for the state of Alabama. But that fee was just for the 2021-2022 year. She will be required to pay this year's dues on or before September 30th.